Hello everyone, and welcome back to the part 2 of the making of Tapestry of Dreams number 3. So we prepared the panels and now I'm getting ready to dye them with tea because I do not enjoy the full, almost optic white of the gesso. So here I'm just going to pour it and filter it to avoid to have any residue of the tea itself in the mixture, because of course the clearer it is, the better it is for the application. And I start to apply it quite uniformly on both panels, of course starting with the first one, and I've made way too much tea, but that's totally fine because it will be used again in another project afterwards, so no lost ever trying to. And it is quite meditative, I have to say. I do enjoy that part, always very relaxing. The only thing that of course the dyeing time is quite consuming, and of course the drying time as well, but hey, it is what it is. Here I'm preparing the glue for the gold leaves, so I do buy some glue that comes as it is, but I always dilute it a little bit because it doesn't need to be as strong as it is. And yes, I can feel people are gonna say something, but I know the right way to apply gold leaves, don't worry. I just don't really enjoy it because doing it with my hands, first of all, I love to feel the material, and second of all, it allows me to create those little creases, those little ridges and all of that texture with the leaves themselves. So yeah, I always find out that splitting them and applying them with my hands is giving more of the result that I want. So as soon as they're placed, not uniformly across the panels, I do reapply more glue on top of it with quite some pressure to make sure that they stay bounded with the fabric. And yeah, this is basically me finishing the second panel on this one here before having to make strips out of those fabric panels.